This is Lab 5 for MET 211 Strength of Materials. In this lab we are looking at how shear happens in beams. We will test two different setups, one where the boards are stacked on top of each other, and another where they are glued together. The goal is to see how connecting the boards affect the beam stiffness and how it bends under load. For our beam we use two pieces of plywood that are 2/10 of an inch thick and cut into 2 by 24 inch sections using a laser cutter. For the load we use a total of 2.5 pounds distributed over a 5-inch area. That means we had two resultant loads of about 1.25 pounds each, as shown in the diagram. Here is our test for our first sample, where the two beams are not connected. After loading the beam, our dial gauge, which measures in thousandths of an inch, went around 3 full turns and stopped at 47, giving us a total deflection of 0.347 inches. For our next test, we used wood glue to attach the two pieces of plywood together. After letting the glue dry overnight, we ran the same test again using the same setup and load. After applying the same load to the glued beam, the dial gauge made one full rotation and stopped at 16, which means the deflection was 0.116 inches, a lot less than the unconnected boards. From our results, we can see that shear happens when the layers inside a beam try to slide over each other. In our first test with the loose boards, the layers were free to move, which caused more shear deformation and a larger deflection. In the glued beam, the glue carried the shear and kept the layers moving together, making the beam stiffer and reducing the deflection. This shows how important shear connections are in increasing a beam's overall strength and rigidity.